So they amputated the leg, and then afterwards he was discharged. But when he was discharged, he was in a very, very much terrible condition. The situation was so bad that a good Samaritan decided if he is sent home, he may most likely not make it. In fact, JFK has said that he had a short time to live, and he was discharged without prescription drugs. He still have air sores all over the body, and so a good Samaritan healthcare worker told the family to bring him to a clinic because of the severity, the deplorable condition that he was undergoing at the time. So that's how he ended up here, and he's still very sick, but it is by far better compared to when he was at the John F. Kennedy Medical Center.